G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This tree is 19 years, 8 months old. I worked on this tree, a year and 8 months ago, I believe. There could be another video, but I have repotted it and I didn't repot it in the last video, so I may have a video of it being repotted, but I'm not sure. I haven't found it in all my collection of videos, but anyway, what I'm doing is I'm just refining today, getting rid of what I don't want and keeping what I do want. And for what I don't want is any of these branches that are here, for sure. So they're gone. Okay, you can see in better now. So my plan is just to have like a cloud of growth here. So everything's getting shrunk down just to make it into a nice little cloud. And this is the end of the branch. This branch will stay. This branch is going to go. We're going to shrink that right down and turn into a little cloud at the top of the tree. Get rid of some of these at the back here. And I think I'll keep that branch growing out this way at the back. And this one here, I'm debating on keeping as a branch growing out that way there too, but I haven't decided yet. But we will get rid of this one because we don't like this one. Okay. Now we've got all these bottom dwellers. They can go. We don't want them. I've got a bit of a breeze going through. It's quite warm here, so I've opened up the roller door to let a breeze come through. Otherwise I wouldn't be doing this right now. I think we'll shrink that down and get rid of that altogether. Don't know about that, don't think so. Don't think we need it. We'll get rid of it and that. Okay, so I think that's it for now. As you can see, I'm trying to just get like a cloud of growth there now. I've left more than I probably should, but I hate tippy tops of trees. But we'll just let that grow and see what becomes, and whether I need to bend some of these down, which could be the case, and this shortened. Might be too big in the middle, but then I suppose if we have it go up and out, be nice like a shape to it, I suppose. We'll see. Trial and error. But yeah, that's the tree for now. That's the front. I'll give these some wire after a bit of time. This one as well. And I think it's not bad. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.